Sakit lang, insert. Okay, points. Okay, here we go, game time. Lopez. Harley in the ball. Hurts. For two, wala. Foul by Harley. Harley, Alosilio in the ball. Alosilio now. Harley fires for three. Wala. Kunahap. Kunahap. To kunahap. Wala. Rebound. By Mendoza. Alosilio. Alosilio. Hurts. Lyles. Harley. Oh. Traveling. Violation. Kunahap. Alosilio, the ball. Alosilio now. Alosilio. Pass to Pedrosa. Pedrosa to Lyle. Lyles. Uy! Jack by Solunia. Speed. Alosilio. Jumper by Alosilio. Wala. Ball by Kunahap. Kunahap to Prater. Kunahap. Kunahap. Layup. Kunahap. 2 points. Alosilio to Harley. Harley na to Pedrosa. Pedrosa, Alosilio fires for three. Wala. Short. Uy. Harley, jumper. Yes. Harley, 2 points. Lopez, wala. Rebound by Harley. Harley now on the ball. Pass to Hurst. Hurst jumper. Yes, 2 points for Hurst. Solonia. Solonia. Pass to Kunahap. Kunahap now on the ball. Kunahap niya. Uy, nakalusot. 2 points. You have a tie game for all. Alosilio. Alosilio. Pass to Harley. Harley. Hurst. Hurst to Lyle. Lyle. Big. Harley. Back to Lyle. Uy! Steal by Solunia. Solunia. Kunahap. Kunahap. Yes. 2 points for Kunahap. Alosilio. Alosilio to Harley. Harley the ball to Pedrosa. Back to Alosilio. Lyle. Lyle. Wait. There's a foul coming from Lopez. Out to receive it. Kunahap. AG Kunahap. Alosilio. Alosilio now the ball. Alosilio, ball and jumper. Yes, the points for Alosilio. AG Kunahap on the ball. Solunia fires for three. Well, short. Rebound by Hurst. Hurst now the ball. Hurst. Hurst. Pass to Lyle. Lyle now the ball. Lyle. Jumper. Wala. Rebound by Hurst. Hurst the points. AG Kunahap. Kunahap. Pass. Lopez. Lopez wala. Rebound by Pedrosa. Alosilio on the run. Alosilio to Lyle. Lyle hit up. Yes! Ilugit. Isunod. Kunahap on the ball. Jerry Kunahap. Kunahap to EG Kunahap. Jeremy Kunahap. Reverse layup, yes, the points for Kunahap. Harley now on the ball. Looking for the finish. Fires for three. Wala. Rebound by Lopez. Lopez to Jerry. Jerry to Lopez. Oh, wala. Rebound by Lyle Kunahap. Lyle. Alosilio. Alosilio. Wala. Wala daw. Kunahap. Easy. Lopez. Wala. Back by Harden. Second personal foul. EG Kunahap. Okay, Harley now the ball. Pass to Pedrosa. Jumper. Wala. Rebound. Wait. First personal foul, number 4, Alosilio. Ortiga. To Jerry Kunahap. Jerry Kunahap. Ortiga. Pass to Jerry. AG. Lopez. Jumper. Wala. First personal foul. 99 Hurst. Yes, Lopez. Second for Lopez. Second. Wala. Wrong by Hurst. There's a call. Pass to Pedrosa. Alosilio. Alosilio. Yata. Yes! Yung magic ni Alosilio. Isulod. Sulod niya. Jumper. Wala. Rebound by Hurst. To Lyle. Lyle to Ram. Lyle to Alosilio. Hurst for the points. Lopez. Ay, sorry. And one for Lopez. First foul, number 12. Substitution. Sub. Insert lang, insert na tahan, insert. Lopez, yes. 0 points for Lopez. 2 points. Alosilio. Remaining time 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Bellarmino. Bellarmino now pass to back to Alosilio. Alosilio fires. Wala. Sulod niya. Sulod niya na on the run. Sulod niya. Uy. First personal foul, Bellarmino. Fourteen fouls. I saw it. Second for Solonia. Two points. Time out. I saw it. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound Alosilio to Bellarmino. Bellarmino on the ball. Fires for free. Wala, airball. Lopez. Harley. Bellarmino. To Harris. Oy. Out si Lopez. South Kitchen. South. Mendaros in. Alosilio. Lopez out. Okay. Icer ball. Mendaros. Back to Bellarmino. Gagati. Bellarmino again. Bellarmino drives the left layup. Yes! Bellarmino with the points. Remaining time 46 seconds. Wala. Rebound by Harley. Harley now on the run. Harley, pass to Bellarmino. Bellarmino. Reverse layup. Yes! 2 points. Bellarmino. Remaining time 56 seconds. 18 seconds at clock. Ortiga. Donor. Ortiga. Donor. Luis, wala. Rebound. Donor. Yes, 2 points. Harley. Oy, wala na. Okay. 18 all. Tie game. We have a tie game. 18 all. Okay, back to the ball game. GD Brokerage ball. Donor. Dodivisi. Wala. Rebound by Harris. Harris now on the ball. Pass to Harley. Harley. Drafter. Wala. Rebound by Donor. Donor now on the run. Oops. Wala mabukod. Wala mabukod yung tika. Bellarmino to Mendaros. Mendaros now on the ball. Mendaros. Gagati. Yay, Gagati. Donor. Donor on the ball. Donor, layup. Block by Gagati. Jadi wala. Uy. Wow. It's a foul. Beat. First personal foul number 42. Barbon. Bellarmino on the ball. Bellarmino as to Gagati. Gagati, pasas kontra. Ludivisi on the ball. Ludivisi. Wait. There's a foul. First personal foul, Gagati. First team foul, Isory. Donor. Robato. Matis. Uy, steal by Hurst. Hurst down the ball. Hurst on the right. Pilapil, jump shot. Uy, wala nang gawas. Uy. Donor on the ball. Donor. Uy, sulod. Ang tira ni Barbon. Mindaros, Bellarmino. Bellarmino now, Barnes for three. Bellarmino! Viva! Donor, pass to Matis. Barbon, wala. Rebound kay Bellarmino. Bellarmino na ang naman. Bellarmino layup. Wala. Rebound kay Clavel. Donor on the ball. Donor on the run. Jumper. Wala. Uy, rebound. Rebound by Hurst. Hurst to Clavel. Clavel. Layup. Block. Kay Ludivisi. Uy. Substitution. Kabato ako. In, Kabato. Donor out. First, Bellarmino. Bellarmino, Barnes for Pere. Wala. Rebound kay Kabato. Kabato left. Wala. Rebound. Wala kay Hapon. Mindaros to Pilapil. Mindaros, jumper. Uy, wala. Ludivisi. Wala. Rebound kay Bellarmino. Bellarmino to Hurst. Hurst on the ball. Kalma. Bellarmino. Hurst. Bola jumper. Wala. Ball. Kabato. Ludivisi. Wala. Uy, Ludivisi. Out, Ludivisi. Okay, substitution. Stop. Gagati, Alusilio. Alusilio na ball. Alusilio. Pedrosa. Alusilio. Bellarmino. Hurst. Ball up jumper. Hurst. No point. Remaining time 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Gabato. Matis fires for free. Wala. Rebound by Ludivisi. Alusilio. Alusilio ng the ball. Alusilio. Pass to Pedrosa. Bellarmino. Liap. Wala. Rebound kay Gagati. Uy. Bellarmino. Alusilio. Gagati. Bellarmino. Libers kaya. Wala. Oh, yung Bellarmino. Ang foul. Foul number 4, Gabato. First foul, personal foul, Gabato. Alcilio. Second team foul, Gini. Pedrosa to Alcilio. Alcilio, fires for three. Alcilio! Chris! Puntos. Gabato. Pahugot. Pahugot. Jumper. Wala. Rebound by Hurst. Hurst now the ball. Hurst now. Pedrosa. Pedrosa fires for three. Wala. Short. Rebound by Gagati. Gagati pass to Pilapino. Pahuk. Pedrosa. Alcilio. Alcilio. Why? Wala na sila. Foul number 2. First personal foul. Candido. Alcilio on the 12-foot line. First. Wala ay sunod. Second for Alcilio. Yes, 1 point for Alcilio. Substitution, Substitution. Bellarmino out. Lyle. Okay, Gabato on the ball. Pahugot. Barita. Sulunya. Sulunya fires for three. Wala. The ball by Hurst. Hurst down the ball. Hurst is looking for Lyle. Lyle's fired for three. Wala. Uy. Ball by Gabato. Gagati. Gagati. Wala. Number 3, first personal foul. Barita. Gagati on the 3rd line. First for Gagati. Yes, 1 point, Gagati. Second for Gagati. Yes, 2 points for Gagati. Mahugot now on the ball. Mahugot. Ortiga bars for three. Wala. Rebound. Kabikin. Kapilit. Gagati. Lahi. Uy, guling ito na. Rebound Kabikin. Uy! Sulod niya. Ito mahugot. Mahugot kayo. Nakaling violation. Substitution. Mahugot out. AG lahat. Pedrosa. To Alcilio. Alcilio now. Alcilio the ball. Alcilio. Alcilio. Kabikin. Alcilio. Uy, speed. Reverse layup. Wala. Uy, di ba may AG Kunahak? Kunahak. Sulunya. Yes. 2 point for Sulunya. Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds. Alcilio. Alcilio now on the ball. Pass to Pedrosa. Pedrosa. Ball up jumper. Wala. Foul. Lopez. Layup. Yes. Basta. Alcilio on the ball. Alcilio to Lyle. Lyle fires for three. Wala. Rebound by Barita. First personal foul, Kabikin. Easy. Kunahap ang the ball. Kunahap. Jumper. Wala. Ice ball. Time out. Ice. Okay, remaining time 28.5 seconds. Score, Ice 29. GD 26. Penalty GD Brokerage. Okay, back to the ball game. Pedrosa Alosilio. Alosilio now. Pedrosa. Harris back to Alosilio. Alosilio. Jumper. Wala. Oh, out. G. AG. Uy. Steal. By Harris. Harris at the ball. Jumper. Yes! 2 points Hurst. Buzzer beater. Shoot by Hurst. We're now in the third quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Alosilio now on the ball. Pedrosa. Dahil Harris to Alosilio. Wala. Kabuhian. Uy. Okay. Ortiga. Harley now on the ball. Harley. Bars for 3. Wala. Uy, rebound na Alosilio. Alosilio Pedrosa. Bars for 3. Wala. Yapot. Uy. Wala. Di magugod. Alosilio. Alosilio ng draw. Live. Hurst. Uy. Bilang Easy. Ortiga. Ortiga. Yes. Ortiga. Alosilio. 15 seconds at that. Alosilio. So Hurst. Alosilio, fires for 3. Wala. Rebound ay Ludivisi. Solonia, nilipad. Traveling violation. Sobrang kalamig. Harley, the ball. Harley, Pedrosa. Uy, Harley, na-foul. Na-foul si Lyle. Lyle at twin-foot line. First, personal foul number 16. Solonia. Yes. Second for Lyle. Yes, 2 points for Lyle. Easy Kunap on the ball. Blocking for opening. Pass to Ludwisi. Ludwisi. Uy, steal by Hers. Hers now the run. Hers now the ball. Pass to Pedrosa. Pedrosa to Hers. Lyle on the ball. Lyle to Alosilio. Alosilio fires for 3. Alosilio! 3 points! Solunya Ortiga. Ortiga layup. Yes, 2 points for Ortiga at 1. First personal foul number 9. Lyle Minya. Bonus shot for Ortiga. Yes, 3 points. Ortiga. Alosilio. Alosilio on the ball. Alosilio. Pedrosa. Fires for 3. Wala. Oy, keeping the line. Stepping the line ko na. Pedrosa inbound. Inbound by Pedrosa. Pass to Hers. Hers to Harley. Harley now on the ball. Harley. Harley. As we play with Kunap. Harley tries it off. Nabili. Traveling violation. Lopez inbound. Kunahap. Kunahap now the ball. Kunahap. AG Kunahap. Pass. Ortiga. Oh, Ludwis. Ortiga. First personal foul. 27. Pedrosa. Yes, 1 point for Ortiga. Taken for Ortiga. Wala, rebound by Hers. Hers now the ball. Harley. Harley now. Harley. Yep. Yes, Harley, go point. Kunahap, on the ball. Kunahap. Kunahap. What? There's a foul coming from number. Second personal foul, Alosilio. 13 fouls. I said substitution. Candido in. Lopez out. AG Crab inbound. Ludwisi. Layup. Ludwisi. No points. Alosilio. Alosilio to Harley. Harley now on the ball. Harley. Pass to Pedrosa. Jumper. Wala. Airball. Bagay Kunahap. Kunahap na Otaran. Kunahap. Pass to Ortiga. Wala. Uy, still. Harley to Alosilio. Alosilio to Rat. Alosilio to Hurst. Hey! Lipat shoot by Hurst. Solo niya. Jumper. Ay, na-foul. Number 27. Second personal foul. Pedrosa. Solo niya. The 12 po na eh. Yes, 1 point solo niya. Second for solo niya. Wala. Down na here. Here's now the ball. Dahil now the ball. Dahil reverse layup. Wala. Ibawat by Gagati. Gagati to Hurst. Gagati. Oy, 24 seconds shot na. Solo niya. To grab. Oy, still Alosilio. Alosilio not the ball. Alosilio now. 10 seconds shot clock. Alosilio. Foul is your kicker. First personal foul Ortiga. Okay. Alosilio now on the ball. Alosilio. First, fires for 3. First, 3 points. Pahugot. Pass Ortiga. Solonia. 3 points. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Alosilio on the ball. Alosilio. Pass to Harley the ball. Oy. Foul. Si Harley. Huh? 44. Fourth personal foul. Warning for confusion. First time, 44. First personal foul. Pahulog. Time out. Penalty and isolate. Pila el inbound. Pass to Hurst. Symbol. Isolate ball. 11 seconds shot clock. Hurst. Gagati. Swing. Jumper. Wala. Ibawat by Sulon niya. Ito pahugot. Pahugot Solonia. Fires for 3. Wala. Rebound kay Villarmino. Villarmino to Pilapil. Pilapil. Uy! Pilapil Solonia. Solonia. On the ball. Pahugot. Pahugot jumper. Wala. Rebound kay Solonia. Villarmino. Uy. Sibay Gagati. Gagati to Hers. Hers fires for 3. Wala. Down kay Solonia. Solonia Durat. Solonia. Dulibisi. Wala. Napaw si Dulibisi. Hers. Narubaw ng middle. Ludwig in the third foot line. Remaining time, 1 minute and 7 seconds. Wala. Second for Ludwig. Wala yan. Uy! Ball by Ludwig. Jumper. Wala. Ball by Gagati. Gagati to Lamino. Lamino to Lamino. Lamino Gagati. Gagati back to Lamino. Lamido. Lamido now the ball. Lamido to Pilapil. Pilapil jumper. Wala. Rebound by Luisi. To Pahugot. Pahugot. Wala. Rebound. Wala. Villarmino. Villarmino the ball. Villarmino. Lamido. Pilapil. Pilapil, lakbay Ortiga. Ortiga, 2 points. Second personal foul. Don Hurst at 1 for Ortiga. Remaining time 13 seconds. Remaining time 13 seconds. Yes. Two points lead now by GD Brokers. Yamino. 10 seconds remaining. Yamino now ball. Yamino. Gagati. Gagati. Yes! Gagati. And 1 for Gagati. Number 17, Ortiga. Second personal foul. Oy, ninabaw ang Isoric for 1 point. 46-45. Final quarter. Second. Okay. Kunahap. Kunahap now on the ball. Pass Solonia. Solonia. Liam. Yes. Solonia. 2 points. Villarmino. Villarmino on the ball. Villarmino. 14 seconds left. 12 seconds left. Uy. Solonia. Solonia to rock. Solonia fly high. Wala. Napaw. Fly high. Lupan. Number 4, third personal foul. Alosilio. Third personal foul. Sulod niya, the 12-foot line. Wala, sulod ang una. Sulod niya. Yes, 1 point. Here's Alosilio. Alosilio to Hurst. Hurst to Gagati. Gagati on the ball. Gagati to Lyle. Oh. Double people now. Double people. AJ Kunahap on the ball. Kunahap looking for somebody. Ortiga fires for 3. Ortiga 3 points. Belarmino to Lyle. Lyle versus up. Wala na sulod na rin gawas. Iceland cooler. Hurst inbound. Pass to Alosilio. Alosilio drives the up. Yes, wala. Oy, offensive foul. Number 4 for personal foul. Warning. For condition. Warning. Warning na si Alosilio. AJ Kunahap. Lopez. Lose it, pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound, Belarmino. Belarmino on the run. Belarmino now on the ball. Belarmino, layup. Wala. Very busy. Wait, Steve. Kunahap. To Ortiga. Ortiga, layup. Yes, 2 points for Ortiga. Alosilio. Alosilio now on the ball. Alosilio. Pass to Hurst. Fires for 3. Hurst! 3 points! 1 point lead now ay Lopez. Ortiga. Ortiga, yep. Yes, 2 points for Ortiga. Belarmino. Hurst. Belarmino. Alosilio. 12-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Hurst. Fires for 3. Wala. Baka kay Ortiga. Ortiga na on the ball. Ortiga. Kunahap jumper. Wala. Ibang kay Hurst. Hurst to Belarmino. Belarmino. Alosilio. Yes! 2 points. Alosilio. Kunahap. Kunahap na on the ball. Ortiga. Ortiga. Jumper. Wala. Another shoot. Wala. Napaw. Foul. Second personal foul, Belarmino. Ortiga on the 12-foot line. Remaining time 6 minutes. Ortiga 1 point. Second for Ortiga. Wala, rebound by Hurst. Alosilio. Alosilio. Lael. Gagati. Lael. Daming violation. Ortiga. Kunahap. Kunahap down the ball. Ortiga. Ortiga. Wala. Ibarra Hirsch. Wala. Ang tapik at bola. Luli Bisi. Hardy. Pass to Hirsch. Hirsch now. Dahil to Hardy. Hardy. Oy, bawal. Third personal foul, E.G. Kunahap. Hardy. Hirsch. Hirsch, Gagati. Dahil Hirsch, jumper. Wala. Bawal na sulot niya. Sulot niya ng the ball. Sulot niya to Lopez. Ortiga. Jumper. Wala. Bawal na yung Gagati. Alosilio. Alosilio. Dahil bawal na sulot niya. Sulot niya, run! Sulot niya, lupan, wala! Rebound by Dolibisi. Dolibisi to Lopez. Oy! Remaining time, 4 minutes. Time out. Ice. Okay, back to the ball game. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Inbound by Lyle, Alosilio. Out, Hardy. Alosilio now, the ball. Alosilio. Pass to Hardy. Hardy fires for 3. Wala, rebound by Hirsch. Hirsch. Gagati, jumper. Wala. Uy, out si Mahukap. Donor. Hirsch, Alosilio. Alosilio B, wala. Rebound by Barita. Donor na the ball. Donor. Pass to Ortiga. Dolibisi. Layup. Yes, 2 points for Dolibisi. Alosilio. Alosilio on the ball. Pass to Hirsch, layup. The foul. Foul by Barita. Second personal foul, Barita. Second team foul. Gili. 1 point for hers. Second for hers. Yes, 2 points for hers. Donor na on the ball. Donor, jumper. Wala. Iba kay Pedrosa. Pedrosa na on the ball. Pedrosa. Uy! Substitution. Substitution. Baritao. Kanyidoin. Donor na on the ball. Donor. Pass to Kanyido. Jumper. Wala. Rebound na Hers. Hers to Alosilio. Alosilio the run. Alosilio pass to Lani. Hardy. Traveling violation. Okay. AG Gunahap on the ball. AG Gunahap. Drives. Pass. Uy. Wala. Nilamos ang pula. Kakadapi. Harley at the ball. Harley at the ball. Harley. Balik Lali. Sit back. Uy. Black by Lodi Bisi. Yes. Time out. Aizuri. Remaining time 1 minute and 21 seconds. Warning, playing goals for entering the court. Okay, end time. Back to ball game. Inbound line. Line pass to Alosilio. Alosilio on the ball. Alosilio. Jumper. Wala. Rebound by Gunahap. Tortiga. Technical foul. Ice your coach. Gunahap. Yes. Remaining time 1 minute and 3 seconds. Gunahap. AG Gunahap on the ball. AG. Wala jumper 3 points. Wala. Uy. Alis Kanyido. Out, Caguido. Pedrosa. To Hardy. Fires for 3. Wala. Iba kay Caguido. Kuna. Reverse. Wala. Foul na. Second personal foul, number 12. 14 fouls. Remaining time, 30 seconds. Ortiga. Very busy. Donor. Number 27. Third personal foul, penalty. 23 seconds remaining. Yes. Donor, 1 point. Second for Donor. Donor, 2 points. What a nice game. Congratulations, GD Brokerage. Congratulations. This player of the game